Hello, good day. Welcome everyone to this channel. This is Bismarck Technology, and I am Adele Israel. Just a quick one. I just want to do this in preparation for the students that are planning to do Jamb exam coming up from the 29th of April to I think 15th of May. Thereabout is this 15th, but I know it's starting 29th of April. So a quick one that will actually help you in making sure to pass this Jamb once and for all without repeating anything. Of course, the first thing you need to do is you need to prepare seriously. Normally you do your normal preparation. If you need to go to tutorial, you go to tutorial. If you need to call somebody to teach you something, they will teach you. If you need to read your book, make sure you read your book and get prepared. But this one will actually help you to be able to treat any past question that you can lay your hands upon, because treating past question is one of the important things in preparing for any exam. No matter the exam you are preparing for, you need to get a past question so that you'll be able to prepare for the exam. You treat 2, 3, 4, 5 past questions of that exam. It will help. There is no way they won't repeat some of the questions. There is no way they won't repeat some of the questions. So you doing this will help you a lot. And I want to tell you, don't worry about the answers to the past question. Probably some of you have some past questions that you couldn't get the answers, or you are not even sure of the answer that will be provided for the past question. So that is why we are here today. I will just show you step by step to be able to answer any past question that you can lay your hands upon. Step by step to be able to answer any past question that you can lay your hands upon. So I want you to follow me with this. So the first thing is, don't worry, the first thing is to do what? The first thing is to open this site. Make sure you register and you sign up to this site. This is chat. Can you see? .openai.com/chat. Chat.openai.com/chat and enter. Just click enter, it will load, and because I've signed for, it's going to open up the chat.openai website for me. But if you have not signed before, what you just need to do is going to tell you to log in or you sign up. So just click sign up. Once you click sign up, it will ask you how do you want to sign up. Make sure you sign up with your Google, with your Gmail account. It's very, very fast. Just click your Gmail account and make sure you sign up with it, and it will load. And at times while signing up, if it loads, it may not, if it doesn't open, this chat.openai.com/chat for you, is going to open beta.openai.com/playground. You can still use that one too. So it's verified. It's asking me to verify for a human. So you do the verification. If it opens this one for you, fine. If it doesn't open this one for you, it will open the other one for you, which is still very, very okay. Just because of my internet that is doing this. So once you get this, once you do this, just waiting, I want it to load and show. And you have, make sure you have your past question with you already. Make sure you have your past question with you already, the past question you want to treat. Don't worry about the subject. Those any subject, either mathematics, English, physics, chemistry, commerce, biology, just any subject. Of course, in Jamb, what you answer is AB. You don't do any fill in the gap. What you answer is AB. You'll be given the option. So automatically you'll be able to treat all these questions. So I'm having a question before me now, even though the question is a past question, a question from a university student, and the question here says embedded system working principle. How does describe embedded system working principle? So I just type describe. So this is what you do. You type your question, the embedded system working principle. Then after that, then you press enter. You don't press the enter on your keypad. You press this one. I'm sure you can see it. You press this one here. You press this one here. Good. So you press enter, so it's going to go, it's going to load and bring you. An embedded system is a computer system that is designed to perform specific tasks. Often it's going to give you everything, every details that you need concerning that question. If you think the details is bringing to you is too large, you just want a brief information, you can just write it. It's going to bring up everything needed. You can easily read your book with this one. Sit down, nobody need to disturb you. You don't need to be distracted. You don't need to be running around here and there. Just sit down with your system or your phone. You can see I'm using my phone. It doesn't take up data. You can't say you don't have data. You can just buy 1 gig data for how much is that? Maybe 300 naira or something like that. Then you understand. So it's very, very easy. Okay, if you want to make my answer brief, I want to say make the answer brief. Just tell it to make the answer brief. We understand that you're talking about the same question that you asked the other time. Okay, it's a embedded system, so it's going to write it, and then let's see what's going to do here. We just say that you should make the answer. Can you see? It has stopped. You understand? And embedded system is a computer system designed to perform specific tasks efficiently and reliably with minimal power consumption and cost. It includes, and it can do mathematics, can solve mathematics. Okay, let's say people let me use one physics question talking about Ohm's law. State Ohm's law with working example. State Ohm's law with working example. So you're going to state the Ohm's law state that the current through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the voltage across the 2 points given a constant temperature and another physical condition. You understand? And that is that current is equal to V over R. Can you see? He's doing the example. For example, if the circuit has it, you understand, is working the example. If it is mathematics, it's going to do the same. Just make sure you copy the question and paste it there, or you type out your question. It is very, very real. It is very, very legit. It will help you in making sure you pass this Jamb that is coming up. Either the one you want to do this year, or if you have a junior one that will be doing their exam in any other year. It's not only restricted to Jamb. Either your NECO exam, either either your assignment, either the exam, either your midterm exam, and different exams like that. Either you are in secondary school or you're in an institution. This is very, very good and very, very okay for you. Please don't forget, don't only watch this video. I want you to subscribe, I want you to like, and make sure that you follow us. Just click the notification bell so that anytime I post any update concerning it, because there will be many updates I'll be posting concerning this ChatGPT, because there are still a lot of ways you can still use it to make money. So see you next time. Don't forget, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.